The Living Good Candle Company Echo Candle Making Kit comes with 12 ounces of 100% organic beeswax in a sealed pouch. You get 6 100% cotton lead-free wicks, 6 adhesive stickers to hold the wicks in place, 3 wick holders to keep the wicks upright while the wax cools, and 2 safety stickers with candle care recommendations. It doesn't come with a jar. You can reuse a candle jar or use a heat-resistant jar to hold your candle. The wax pouch can be placed in warm water to melt the wax, or you can put the pouch in the microwave to melt the wax. Beeswax is considered an eco-friendly alternative to paraffin wax. Beeswax burns very clean and produces very little soot or smoke. It doesn't produce toxic emissions, it burns longer, and it has a subtle natural scent of honey. The wax comes in different fragrances made from non-toxic oils. And I'll put a link to a video showing how to make a candle with the kit.